progressive cutting. So when you want to cut in the small brush, you should use the pruner, and when you want to cut in the big brush, you should use our professional chainsaw. This is our 21 wattage. Okay, we can test it. This is a big brush, 35mm big brush. You can cut it. And this one also okay. 1, 2. Also, so this is a very professional item, and you can see 2 times very big. 1, 2. Okay, very professional. When you want to cut in the like this big one, you cannot cut it. So you should use our chainsaw. Open the chainsaw switch. Then test it. Okay, this is the brush. We can use this chainsaw. 1, 2, 3, go. We can cut like this. Very professional. So anywhere you can use our chainsaw cut. For like this one, you can test it. Very professional chainsaw. This saw, and this is the same battery pruner. Maybe sometimes somebody will be say your pruner and the chainsaw, the weight is heavy. So no problem. We have one wire. You can in here. You can put in your bag, and in this side you can collect the pruner. For example, like this. Take out the battery. Okay, in here, collect the pruner. Okay, and this side you can collect the battery. Okay, and you open the pruner again. Then this pruner weight is very light. This is our left hander, so this is very light. So you can put it anywhere. This is a very light pruner. Also, you also can take out the wire, and this is our chainsaw. You also can take out the battery and collect the wire. So the chainsaw is very light. This battery also very light. So this is a very good item to you. Okay.